Okay, so we figure out easily using these equations that the first ramp VF rounds off to 35 centimeters per second, 34.6, whatever, okay? And delta T is what? Well, the average is 17.5 centimeters per second. 17.5 goes into 53.5 three times, right? Leaving about 6.5. So it looks to me like delta T should be about 3.3 or 3.4 seconds. Now you can go ahead and use the equation, but all the equation says is you average your initial and final, multiplied by delta T, you get your delta S, right? Which means if you want your delta T, you average these and divide. Well, averaging 0 and 35 gives us 17.5, right? 17.5 goes into 60 about 3.3 times. I'm pretty sure of that one. Anybody want to tell me I'm wrong? You better be careful. Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty much right. It's 3.46.
3 point what?
46.
3.46 seconds?
Yeah.
That's ridiculous. Couldn't be that big. Okay, 3.5 seconds. If you're going to be that way, we'll just do it. Okay. How's that possible? 17.5 times 3 is 52.5, not 53.5. I get it. Okay, never mind. Okay, now. Next ramp. And right? What are we going to do? We're going to find an equation that has those three things in it. Well, I gave you V, initial velocity, displacement, and time interval, right? Just as I did before, so you're probably going to use this equation. Okay? Might be your only choice, although this one is actually a choice. Okay? This is your better choice. You plug it in, you get your VF, right? Then you can go to this equation or this one, or you can just use your brain, average the initial and final velocity that the initial velocity you're given and the final velocity that you get, and divide it into 60 centimeters, you get your delta T, right? You can always use your brain. And I recommend that you use your brain instead of equations when it's possible to do that. Okay? Of course, you got to use your brain to use the equations too. But when you have initial and final velocity and displacement, you don't really need to use an equation. You can get the average velocity and divide that into your displacement. And you want to use common sense when you can. Helps you understand motion, helps you understand what the equations are telling you. Okay?